With Voximplant, you can connect Cartesia's line voice agents to phone calls, WhatsApp, and even SIP devices and providers, all without requiring any server infrastructure. Let's review how to set this up with a voice AI agent to human transfer example. Both VoxEngine and Cartesia Line are serverless environments where you load code that runs in the cloud. Once a call is initiated, VoxEngine uses the Cartesia WebSocket interface to interoperate media between one or more communications networks and the Cartesia voice agent. In this example, we will use Voximplant's HTTP request interface to coordinate control between the agent and VoxEngine. Let's begin by setting up an agent at play.cartesia.ai. You will also need a Cartesia API key. Now we'll need to set some code for the agent and upload it to Cartesia. The code is linked in the description. See Cartesia's Quick Start for guidance on their CLI setup. This code defines our system prompt and agent introduction instructions. We use HTTPX function to post updates back to the VoxEngine script. The main get_agent function gets the control URL and set pass-through tool types for new warm transfer and end call tools instead of using Cartesia's built-in options for these. Then we define our agent using these parameters and an LLM model. Now we can deploy this to Cartesia. Now let's go to the Voximplant portal at manage.voximplant.com. You will need an account and an application. You will also need a phone number to place and receive calls. Then you can add the VoxEngine scenario code. Finally, create a routing rule. Guides on these steps are in the description. Now let's take a closer look at the VoxEngine scenario code that connects to the agent. When the app is started, we get a unique URL for HTTP-based session control. We will monitor for incoming control commands from the Cartesia agent. If we see the call transfer command, we will disconnect the agent and start a call to the specified call transfer number, and then attach the caller's media to that call when it connects. The rest of the code answers the original caller's call, sets up the Cartesia agent client, and sends metadata to the agent, including our control URL. Let's call using Voximplant's debug soft phone.
Hi, this is Voximplant Voice AI powered by Cartesia Line. How can I help?
Yeah, can I talk to Voxy?
Sure. One moment, I'm transferring you to a human now.
Hey, I'm Voxy. How can I help you today?
Hi, can you tell me about Voximplant and Cartesia?
Hey, I can definitely tell you about...
That's how you can extend Cartesia Line agents with Voximplant. Look in the description for more information.